working with multiplication and arrays, and we have 5 problems on our paper right now.
Okay.
So you are going to do these 5 problems, and then we're going to talk about them.
Okay.
Okay. You could.
No, wait. I did that one. Is that a 5?
That is a 5.
Okay. Actually, I'm not quite sure if I know how to do
That's okay. We don't have to do those. We can look at those later. Okay, so we're going to look at 15 times 8. And first thing I want you to do is draw a picture of what 15 times 8 looks like.
Okay.
You can use any type of drawing you want.
How this might take a while.
That's good.
Actually, I have been doing that. So that's one group.
And how many is in that one group?
15.
15. Okay. So how many groups did you make?
Making 8.
You're making 8 groups?
Yeah, but I'm not quite done. Why do I keep making A? Another A.
They look similar.
Come on. I'm just gonna go and do that.
Okay, so we're going to show this real quick. So how many groups do you have?
I have 8 groups with 15 in each group, and then when you count, so the 15 groups of, the 8 groups of 15, when I add up all the ones inside them, that makes 120.
That is correct.
If I've done my math wrong.
No, that is correct. So yeah, you're right. If you add all these little tiny ones together in the little circle groups you've made, you're going to get 120, which is the same thing that you did up here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to write another problem. Let's see. What's your favorite number?
I don't really have a favorite number.
You don't have a favorite number? Okay, let's see. Well, mine is 27. So we're going to do 27 times 4. And so as you do this problem, I want you to tell me what you're doing. So like whatever you think in your head, I want you to say it out loud as you're doing it.
So first I'm going to start with 4 times 7.
4 times 7.
And since so I'm gonna do 2 times 7 first, and then I'm gonna add those two together. So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. So we're gonna put the 8 there. Carry the 2 over there. And then 4 times 2 is 8. And then we're gonna add this 2, which is a 10, and we get 108.
Awesome. Okay, so why did you do the 7 times 2 first when you're doing 7 times 4?
I did the 7 times 2 first because I find it much easier to do 7 times 2, which is 14, and then add another 14 than to just go ahead and do 7 times 4.
That makes a lot of sense. So since it's 4 and 2 plus 2 equals 4, you decided to do the 14 plus 14, or 17 plus 17. That was a good idea. It helps you do it quicker, huh? You go through it a lot faster. Okay, and our last one is, what is a real world problem that you use multiplication for? It can be anything.
So let's say I'm going to the store and I'm buying some stuff for a party, and I find packages of some good party favors.
Some good party favors.
And it's like all in one package.
So you buy it all together.
And say each package is $1.
Okay.
And there's 20 people at the party, so I could do 1 times 20, which is 20, and then that would be $20.
Yes, you are very correct. So let's see, we can even do that in a real problem. So we would take 20 times what?
1
times 1. All right, let's do that one. So we made it a real world problem, and then we put it on paper. Yeah, you can do it with your pencil.
So that would be 0, that's 2.
So it would end up being $20. That is very right.
Oh, someone's knocking.
Nicole? Yeah. Someone's at the door. Okay, so last thing. Let's go back to our pictures that we drew. Your 8 groups of 15. Do you know what these are called?
Another Nicole.
I think they're arrays.
That is correct. That is the right
Alright,
term
so
for
what are we
it.
doing, Mr. Eli?
So that means that, because look, I have one drawn here. I did my own array. What kind of array is this? What multiplication is that one? What times what?
5 times 3?
Yes, 5 times 3. So that is exactly what you did here. You made your own little groups of arrays, and that is the right, you were all on that, your drawing. So, is this stuff you do in class? Have you done this before?
Well, I did it in 3rd grade, but we haven't gotten to it in 4th grade yet.
In 4th grade yet? Alright.
In fact, I think we may have skipped over it and went straight to order of operations.
Skipped over it, went to order operations? Well, you know it, so you're good to go.
Yeah.
Alright.